Hey YouTubers, today we're going to make some eggnog for the holidays. Today's technically the winter solstice, so yay, holidays! Okay, oopsie, gonna roll up my sleeves. And let's get cracking. I'm going to list all the ingredients in this thing, so we'll get the measurements later. So just going to need some egg, and some condensed and evaporated milk, some sugar, some allspice, and some cinnamon, and French vanilla extract, whipped cream for serving with some cherries, and if you want adult eggnog, we're going to do Captain Spice and Malibu coconut. Get a little tropical taste. If you want it extra tropical, you can add some orange or some limes to it. I wouldn't add lemon. Maybe a pineapple on the side, make it kind of pina colada-y. Oops. One. Oops. Also, I'm open to suggestions. If you guys want to suggest something for me to cook, just leave it in the comments. Okay. Gonna whisk this. Oh, goodness. Okay. This one's pretty easy. We're just going to throw everything in there. I'm going to start with the seasonings, so they'll kind of like hold stronger to the taste. And no, we're not going to heat it up. Like it's just egg. Like you're going to be drinking egg. Like you're going to be pulling a Rocky. Like, you know, anyways. Sugar. Okay, that's all our dry stuff. It's not going to be too sweet, if you know, if you want it like even less sweet, don't add the condensed milk. I want it to be like a thickening / sweetening, so that's why I'm adding the condensed milk. Oh, that looks so pretty. Let's see, I'm going to add the milky stuff first before I add all the alcohol. There's one. Woo! Had issues opening this can. And oh, it's not one to come out. Oh. There we go. I put a little bit extra in there because I knew there was going to be issues getting it out. There we go. Oh, it's thickening. There we go. Just gonna whisk it. This serves like 4 to 6. If you want to do it for more, you can double the recipe. Okay, we're gonna use some bitters for like an orange taste. If you don't want an orange taste, you can omit this. Just like you can omit the alcohol, we're gonna add French vanilla. Let me add that before I add some bitter stuff. A few dashes. And one more. Ow. Oh, that went on this side. Okay. I hope it's not too orangey. Let's see. Oopsie. It's best to serve this. It's best to serve this over ice. Ooh. But you don't have to. You just want it to sit over, you know, just let it get cold. But you can't have it straight from the bowl. Okay. Alcohol time. Captain Malibu. Oh, got some alcohol in the burner. Gotta clean that later. I'm just gonna whisk it. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Oh, I smell the captain. Whew. And the best thing is, you know, because it is like if you pour a glass and you're like, oh, I want it sweeter, you can just keep adding to it. I mean, that's just the thing. Or if you want to add to it before you add ice, you can like just, you know, it's just kind of however you want it. There we go. Okay. Give me a second, I'll show what it looks like in a glass. Hey y'all, it took me forever to find a ladle. Okay. Gonna get this. Oh no. a cherry on top. 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 Oh, that's why. There it goes. And a cherry or 5 on top. And if you're feeling extra, sprinkles. It's been fun, y'all. Bye. Happy holidays.